Have you ever wondered how Arab women look so radiant, with glowing skin, thick shiny hair, and a dressing style that's both elegant and royal? For centuries, women in the Middle East have followed powerful beauty rituals that pass down from generation to generation. And today, I'm revealing the top Arab beauty secrets that will completely change the way you look at skincare and self-care. So stay tuned till the end, because these timeless secrets will leave you inspired. Secret of glowing skin: Arab women clean their body at traditional Arab bath ritual, hammam. Women in Arab cultures often visit hammams, also known as Turkish baths or Arab baths, for bathing and relaxation. And deep cleansing with black soap, also called beldi soap. It makes skin silky, smooth, and improves blood circulation. Turmeric and honey face mask. Add 1/2 tsp turmeric with 1 teaspoon honey, then apply this at your face for 20 minutes, then wash off. A turmeric and honey face mask can benefit the skin by reducing inflammation, fighting acne, brightening skin tone, and moisturizing. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help with conditions like acne and eczema, while honey provides hydration and antibacterial benefits. Camel milk ice cubes. Making camel milk ice cubes is a simple and practical way to store camel milk. You just pour the milk into an ice tray and freeze it, then apply this at your face. Camel milk helps in moisturizing and soften the skin. Additionally, the alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, found in camel milk gently exfoliate the skin, which helps remove dead cells. Argan oil. Arab women have used it for centuries because it's a local, traditional secret. It helps protect their skin from the harsh and dry climate. It's rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, which deeply hydrate your face without feeling greasy. This oil is also known to have anti-aging properties that helps to reduce fine lines. Rose water. Apply rose water every day. It offers several benefits due to its hydrating, soothing, and toning properties. It helps to cleanse, balance the skin's pH, and can reduce redness and irritation. Henna. Henna is a fantastic natural hair dye and conditioner and acts as a natural hair dye, giving a reddish-brown tint and covering gray hairs without harsh chemicals. It strengthens hair follicles from the root, which can lead to reduced hair fall and breakage. Castor oil. Arab women apply castor oil to their eyebrows and eyelashes to promote hair growth and thickness, and taking advantage of its rich nutrient. Castor oil contains vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help protect hair follicles from damage. Kohl. It's a traditional cosmetic used to enhance the eyes and make them look more expressive. Historically, it was believed to protect the eyes from infections and other irritations. Olive oil. Massaging hair with olive oil can moisturize the scalp and hair, and some people believe it promotes hair growth and reduces dandruff. Natural perfume. Attar. Arab women use attar made from flowers and herbs, giving a long-lasting fragrance without chemicals. Elegant dressing style. Arab women prefer modest yet graceful outfits, often wearing flowing abayas and kaftans. They style themselves with hijab or shila, adding both modesty and sophistication. Their dressing reflects elegance, tradition, and a touch of luxury through embroidery and designs. So these were the most powerful Arab beauty secrets that have stood the test of time. From oils to hammam rituals, from camel milk masks to kohl eyeliner, these are the treasures of natural beauty. Which secret was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty secrets from around the world. Until next time, stay glowing and stay confident.